Hello guys, this is Filmon. Welcome to my bonus page. Um, Today I'm going to bring to you about the traffic best. Traffic best is best traffic uh, gives you to get opportunity for the market apps, a new brand app for 2021. Let me see the traffic best is the next 6 seconds, or like it's in the short period you could get a best traffic ever. uh, so let me see what the best traffic ever. Traffic source for one single platform. A software creator animate many links, best links at all traffic sources in the same time, generate commission for multiple high converter offers, per approval for everything, no waiting, 100% done for your traffic commission and system, completely beginner friendly, zero tech skills, provide experience needed, zero maintenance cost, prove result, generate sales all demanded, world class training included, everything. Traffic source is, all this type of benefit they have in traffic source, in a traffic best, sorry. So so the prices for the upsells and the traffic source is, there is unlimited 67.37, done for you 97.47, unlimited traffic 97.47, uh animation 6.7. It's a best. The traffic there is the front in the best traffic associated, unlimited version, done for you. uh, they have a different we have a different options to give you, like the scales and the bonuses, to give you working by yourself. Here this some key benefit of the interesting: getting free bear traffic less than 6 seconds, and top source of those 80 million affiliate buyers. It's done for your system, design mode, made a beginners, brand new tech for 2021, work from home straight today, achieve financial freedom, quit your job, travel, enjoy life, stop feeling. And there is a lot of benefits to do, because of, if you have this uh, source, if you have this type of traffic source, you can enjoy life, wherever you need to work. You don't need to work 5 to 9 or 9 to 5, or overnight shifts, anything. That you just work from home and doing all that stuff, getting money, and uh, enjoy life. And all this one is converted, not question asked, so there's money back guaranteed. um, this is the bonuses. uh, you could have, by tomorrow, or by 12 noon. It's free day, free bonuses. uh, if you click at that day, that 4 days, 4 hours, 3 minutes, 3 seconds day, it's a free bonus. We have in the affiliate marketing, all that in the Warrior Plus, in the JVZoo. Let me see the video, the demo for that stuff.
Would you like to click one button to get free buyer traffic on demand? Well, if yes, then I've got the perfect solution for you, because you're about to get your hands on a brand new software that allows you to get free buyer traffic from over 100 of the hottest traffic sources online. Free traffic has been the one thing that's taken our business from zero to thousands of dollars per day. And as we want to help as many people get results just like we've been getting over the past few years, we've decided to develop the most powerful traffic app on the internet. On behalf of Glenn Kosky and the team, I'd like to introduce a game changer for all those in need of traffic. The real world first, the brand new Traffic Beast. The biggest, the best, and the most powerful traffic app you have ever seen. This is perfect for all those in need of traffic in May 2021 and beyond. Traffic Beast does all the hard work for you to get free buyer traffic from over 100 of the most in-demand traffic sources online with just one single click. Use Traffic Beast to send this buyer traffic to any link of your choice or select one of our hand-picked 100% done-for-you profit links you'll find inside the software. And here's how it works. Step 1. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Log in and enter any link you want the traffic sent to or select one of our hand-picked 100% done-for-you profit links. And finally, Step 3. Enjoy free buyer traffic from over 100 hot traffic sources in as little as 60 seconds. It's as easy as that. This software has been named Traffic Beast for a reason. It's the beast of all traffic apps online, and it does all the hard work to help you get the traffic you need to really crush it online in 2021. Oh, and for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. Below you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners already crushing it with Traffic Beast. Now, while we plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. These include even more free traffic apps and courses designed to help you succeed. And because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team to swiftly answer any question you may have once inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment's protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app to generate free traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch deal. So, if you're ready for unlimited traffic from over 100 of the hottest traffic sources online, which will enable you to crush it as an affiliate in 2021, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you inside the members area.
Thank you for watching the video, all the demo, and I am give you all the access to get that type of benefit. Just like click in the button. um, Bonus, I'm going to let you see the bonuses on the link on under the video. Thanks.